Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, you may have had a flower of a dusting or perhaps a little powdered sugar snow dusting this evening, but that's pulling away now, and even though it's cloudy out there, the flurries and scattered snow showers are off to our southeast. But notice, this is a winter storm watch. We've got a winter storm warning here, and these are winter weather advisories that go all the way to Montana. This is a winter storm warning, so you get the idea. We've got a storm system here developing on the lee side of the Rockies, and this is the one that will move southeast and spread a band of moderate to perhaps heavy snow in places over the plains and the Midwest. All right, but in the meantime, temperatures still running mid to upper 20s. We've got a blanket of clouds out there. It's holding in what little heat, if you will, that we do have. But once we get this clearing line, which is right here at I-80 near Chicago, once that goes through tonight, the temperature will fall off pretty quickly. 14 clear at 7 a.m., 29 clouds on the increase tomorrow, and up to 34 by 4 p.m. Thankfully, the wind not a huge issue for tomorrow, but it'll still be chilly, but thankfully above the freezing mark. We're going to focus on that snow for Saturday, and it may start out as a mix of some sleet, perhaps a little light freezing rain and snow. Then it could snow fairly steadily beginning early in the morning and really lasting through the afternoon and into the evening with accumulation. Then at least scattered snow showers and, boy, really cold Sunday and Monday. Gusty winds and at least some minor accumulation. And we may have some lake enhancement over our northern counties, and then the Arctic air roars in for next week, and I am watching a storm system for later next week that could bring a little wintry mix, or perhaps, you got it, more snow to the forecast. But highs tomorrow after a cold start, 30 Winnemac, Rochester, 32 Monticello, 35 along I-74, and about 34 towards Frankfort and Colfax. Now, you'll notice the clouds increasing tomorrow from the west and the northwest. High and then mid-level clouds through the day. Will turn overcast later tomorrow evening. By 7 a.m. Saturday, there you have it. Snow already moving in. A little sleet maybe mixing in at that point as well. Total snowfall accumulations, though. This is by Saturday evening. Notice Lafayette area points northward. A good 2 to 3 inches seems to be a pretty good bet here. 1 to 2 Attica, Pence, Perrysville area. The heavier amounts appear to be evolving here in a pretty heavy band that'll be up in our northwest counties all the way up towards Chicago, where 3 to 4 inches could fall. Kentland, we're talking 2 to 3, and Chalmers, Kiwanis, Camden, Logansport, and Greentown, all the way to Atlanta, again, about 2 to 3 inches of snow. Battleground, about 2 inches. Head southward towards West Point, probably a little less than 2, the way it looks right now. So it'll clear out tonight. There could be a little light freezing fog and a pretty good frost. Down to 14 degrees. Tomorrow, 34. Clouds will be on the increase through the day. It's still a chilly day, but not necessarily as blustery as it has been lately. And then we've got a wintry Saturday with the snow. At least some scattered snow showers on Sunday into Monday with a lot of wind and a lot of cold weather. And the cold hangs on. Average high temperature is about 40 this time of year. We're going to struggle to get into the low 20s early next week, and by Thursday and next Friday, we may have to watch another system that is likely going to bring some heavy snow to the Midwest. It's just a question of where that's going to set up. So we've got a major snowstorm in Europe with very cold weather, and our December is roaring in with a lot of cold and snow, too. So,
well, this marks the beginning of one of my favorite seasons.
Oh, boy, I don't know. I